laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline.
Good morning, world. Yes. Welcome back. So it's Thursday morning. Yeah. It's Thursday morning. And the yard still flood out too. Yeah. Full of water all over. Yeah. Yeah. I got in the back over here. Holy smoke. I'm just drop foot one from foot drop in the water piece. One of my foot just drop in the water. I'm gonna try balance. Yeah. It's Thursday morning. And yeah. Lot of water still in the yard. As you can see. And during the ride, this is what apparently full up. Clog up, I should say. Or else the water would run out. But it's full up. Let me see where I drain the right there, so you can see drain. Yeah, drain right there. Yeah, but apparently clog up, so the water run back, come in the lane, come in for yard. Yeah, so take a time to dry up. Because that apparently that clog up because the water should have drained out already. Yeah, see next door neighbor for them yard. So don't see me. Water like wow. So it's all under water, peeps. And this is what it's like when rainfall hard. Yeah, but as I say, that should have run out already. Because we call it drain. Clog up. So I don't run out yet. Let's run in the back here. This is around the back. Full of water, same way. Can't go no further than here, so. Yeah. Because you know, water around there, so. Like a lake around there. And if you go further than the grass, it's water deeper. So, whole entire place full of water. It's full of water. And the chicken them out here hungry. So, I'm going to find something if you eat. So let's go check out the back. Let's go check out the back. Yeah. Yeah, see. Balloon is still there, see me for my birthday. Yeah. Let's check out the back. So I'll go around it. Oh, I got her floor and I see me. And see everything wash up, peeps. Oh. Wash ants. Oh my god. I've got spray the ants here. But you know, say, yeah, rain. That's the ants and come out, so. Maybe I'll spray them. So, water like, whoa, peeps. This is more than a foot. Yeah, this is about a foot deep now. Some of it gone. Yeah. And see, my neighbors, them there. Neighbors. Hello, neighbors. Yeah, neighbors ain't come out, but no sun no come out for them. Like we might get some more rain. You know, your peeps, stick and stay. Fly the drone and see how the place look. Over there, so look. So water gone all the way back around so to the house there. So fly the drone and look over there, stay. Stick and stay. So here's peeps from Sunday. The sun just coming out from Sunday. And Sunday we just like get a sunlight, getting some sunlight now. And people can believe I'm looking at the water and I see a lot of what we call in Jamaica tiki tiki. Some small fish. A lot of them in the water here. I was looking at the GoPro. I don't want to push the GoPro in the water really. But there are enough. A lot of them in it. Look, see? A lot of them in it. Yes, I realize that's why the turtle them over here too. The turtle them eat them. The turtles, not turk, yeah. Turtles them eat them. Yeah. I'm just gonna fly the drone now. Come on, see how down this look how far the water gone and all of that. Yeah. Breeze is blowing hard though, still. The breeze is blowing real hard. Yeah. So, I guess can start flight off now. Take off. Take off. Let's start record now. Whoa. These are large fish, trust me. The breeze is blowing pretty hard. Yeah. I'm sure the chance to put it in this. No, sorry. Alright, that's good. Now look peeps, this is why the water come over here, because the water is just flashy. Water is just level with the land over here. So the water come over here. Look at that. Just look at that. So right along the bank. Don't fly too high. Once you're far then out what is it? No out what is the flood out. Yes, not. Look that way. Whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think it's a lot, let me see. Yeah, water going over and people here. Come over here. Yeah. Whoa, so water affect everybody around this stuff. But the things to them they put something, yeah, like some barrier like right here, so I'm trying to put up a barrier like right there, so. Strong winds, yeah. Tim says strong winds. Put up some kind of barrier there, so. Yeah. Water don't go over there, so. So, some sea bike there, so. Let me take back my drone. The breeze is high, peeps. Where am I now? but the water go all the way back down there, so. Far babes. Yeah, because all of the trees and stuff block it. And then time I fly it go all the way down there. The low signal, so now I turn back. Okay man, it's so low. That's beautiful water everywhere, flooded. Yeah. It is so low. It's so low, people. So water here, so keep it on too. Oh, so same water. Fun. How far I go up on the backyard too. So alright, let's take it in. I'm gonna fly around in front, I'm gonna see how I go on there. Yeah. It's strong wind, so the two ice will carry all the way down. Come to Papa. The wind is strong. Let me peeps stick on stay. Yes, peeps with the runner in front now. So let's see what's happening now. Runner now. I don't know what I'm going to run now. Okay. Show me what they going to run now. Show me what happened. So this is my yard. It's just really can't manage the wind. The wind is far too high. Yeah. So yeah, so the water actually dropped in a lane, as you can see. The water is higher than that. Yeah. It's far higher than that. Yeah. Really a dry up. It's really drying up, but I want to take it up the road, peeps, I can see. But the wind is blowing so hard. Yeah. The wind is blowing so hard, peeps. And same can manage. Right, yeah. It's very hard to fly in the wind here. I draw like this, alright, I'm gonna bring it too high. Try to cross this up. It's a bit too low. Yes, peeps, the wind is heavy. I don't want to lose it either. Yeah, so I don't want to lose it either. I'm sure now. Wow. Over this, so. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so a little bit of flooding in West Bay. Not too much. Strong wind, aircraft unable to return home automatically. Low altitude immediately return to your home manually. Yes, peeps, the wind is so very strong. So very strong. Yeah. So let's head on back home. Yes. The wind is too strong for me. Very true. I don't know. come on down. They're too high. We never blow hard peeps. Drone lean. Literally lean. Anyway peeps, stick and stay. Not gonna away. So yes peeps, heading out on the road. And the place still full of water same way. Yeah, and more rain come. As you can see, still underwater. And rain come as me say. Yeah. It seems like we now get no whole heap of sun for now. But really need some sun. Yeah. So anyway, just do film thing. So just wanna live with it. Yeah. At least just like the water we get. We're not flooded out. Yeah, we're just that all the water there cause all the mosquito. Because drain seems to clog up. So we're heading out on the road, peeps. Heading out on the road. Yeah. Got laundry already. Rain and fall, you don't want to have any whole heap of dirty clothes, so I'm going to the laundry. Now I'm heading on the road. Yeah. Like we still want to go and pan the road in a Grand Cayman. So it's raining cat and dog. Landscaper still at work. And work have to go on. Because it doesn't matter if it's raining or not, the landlord wants the money. Yeah. The landlord doesn't want the money. The bills gotta pay. Rain or rain not. Yes, peeps. Rain or rain not, bills have to pay. And true, that is it. All over them places, there. And the water they not dry up now. So it's a good thing them kinda make a little wall there, so yeah, there's full of water that ever used to too, so yeah, water nobody so there. Oh gosh man. Yeah. That's a flooded bad. And cow over there. What you call them? We call them up on the cups of dry land. Oh, them take out the cow them though. Sorry for the cow them. Sorry for the cow them. Sorry for the cow them. Yes peeps, so we're there, I got a town. We're there, I go in Georgetown. So let's see what's going down. So yes peeps, so when I said, oh today is Thursday, but I might upload this video in the morning. So today is Thursday, September the 26th, and it's Empress birthday, so I want to say happy birthday to Empress. Happy Earth Day to the Empress. Big up yourself, Empress. I love support the movement. Yeah. So make sure someone say happy belated birthday to Empress. I want to get the video out. It's Empress Earth Strong, the 26th of September. And mine was the 25th, which was Wednesday. So big up yourself, Empress. More life, more blessings. And I hope you full joy to the fullest. That is it. Anyway, peeps. Can't stay. Don't go nowhere.
Right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. No choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm...
So yes peeps, the rain is continuing to, I wouldn't say fall, but drew rather. Yeah. But hopefully tomorrow is Friday, we'll get a break tomorrow. So I can get some work done. Yeah. But you know it's almost October. And October is also rainy season. But let's see how it goes. Yeah. Right now on my way. Heading back to West Bay. Yeah, head back to the west. I know west is best. Yeah. Wiper they need to change too. Not wiping that clean. Yes, babes. So it's rain and more rain here in the Cayman Island. I tell you, we got a lot of rain, eh? That's why the Cayman I would say, no, babes. We got a lot of rain, eh? I tell you, bloods. Rain be falling. Rain be falling, bloods. I tell you, we ain't got no break. Big up all Caymanians. Big up on yourself. Yeah. When Caymanians talk, you gotta listen carefully to what they must say, you know. Yeah. When they talk, they give you a joke, you know. So yes, peeps, we're back at West Bay. We are back in West Bay here, and it's raining on the island. It's a badass weather, I tell you. It's raining cats and dogs. Yeah. Passing the fire station now. Majority of road them, because I mean peeps, Cayman is very flat, so majority of roads like, you know, kind of have a lot of water and land. Yeah, because it's very flat. Remind me more of Rocky Point and some part of Portmore. Yeah. Rocky Point, Clarendon, and Portmore, St. Catherine. Yeah, so I'll go home now. Edit a video. I've been giving you some drone footage earlier. I put some drone footage on this video earlier. Yeah. So we head on back now. So you go, peeps. So it goes. Rain on the land. Nothing never planned. I just rain on the land. Yeah. Need a Jeep like that. With the weather. Yeah. So me heading back home now. So thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing, and for those who help me to celebrate my Earth Strong, and all those who take the time out to say happy birthday. Big up on yourself, yeah. Big up on yourself. Yes, thank you all for taking the time out to share with me my Earth Day, my 23rd Earth Day. Yes. And those who sing the song with me, happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yes. One more year upon them. Yes. Give thanks to life. You on the rest side. So big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Enough love and respect for taking the time out to celebrate with me. Yes, my first Earth Day celebration. I'm a celebrate with Uno. Yeah, so you know I love and respect Uno. Love the whole of Unos. So until next video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love and do. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Peace out.
Even care to doubt, I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets.